Hello guys, hello there, how are you my friends? So our job now is erection of beam with my partner crane there. That's my partner crane. Also doing a beam erection. By the way guys, I am here in the most developed uptown of CDO. CDO uptown. If you see that blue building, that is a parking building of the famous, it is the famous mall in the Philippines. I am here at the back. That is a condominium. Bolting now. The other side is doing a bolting, fixing the bolt. We're doing a belting. No scaffolding. You see guys, the erector there, removing the belt. Another pickup of load from the boom truck. This area is the famous Uptown CDO development. This is the building we are going to make.